Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send XRP from your Coinbase wallet to your Arculus wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just looking to secure your assets better, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring XRP in no time. Why bother? Arculus offers top-notch security as a cold wallet, keeping your digital assets safe from online threats. Let's get started. First things first. Make sure you have both the Coinbase Wallet and Arculus Wallet apps installed on your device. You'll also need some XRP in your Coinbase account and the exact wallet address from your Arculus setup. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that address to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app and log in securely. Navigate to your dashboard and select the XRP asset from your list of holdings. Once you're there, tap on the Send or Withdraw button. It's usually pretty intuitive. Next, in the Send screen, you'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. This is where your Arculus wallet address comes in. Copy and paste it carefully, and don't forget to double-check for any typos. Then, enter the amount of XRP you want to send. Remember, Coinbase might charge a small network fee, so keep an eye on that to ensure you're not sending more than intended. After that, review the transaction details. This includes the amount, fees, and the destination address. If everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll likely need to verify this with your Coinbase authentication method, like a PIN or biometrics. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on network congestion. Head over to your Arculus wallet app to confirm the receipt. And there you have it. You've successfully moved your XRP to a safer spot. A quick tip. Always start with a small test amount if you're new to this. Crypto can be volatile, so stay informed and secure. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.